In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add additional calendars to your Google Calendar. This can be incredibly helpful if you're managing different kinds of events, whether they're for work, personal use, or any other aspect of your busy life. Having separate calendars allows you to keep all of these activities organized without cluttering your main calendar. Let's dive in and simplify your scheduling process. Begin by opening Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Simply type Google Calendar into your search bar, or you can directly navigate to the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, you should see your primary calendar displayed with your current schedule. On the left sidebar of the screen, look for the section titled Other Calendars. This is typically located beneath your main calendar. Here you'll be able to add and manage any additional calendars that you want to create. This feature is a great way to separate personal appointments from work meetings or to manage calendars for different family members. Next, you'll notice a distinguished plus icon next to the Other Calendars title. Clicking on this icon will reveal several options for adding new calendars. You'll want to select Create New Calendar. This selection takes you to a new settings page where you'll set up your additional calendar. Once you're in the new calendar setup, the first thing you want to do is enter a name for your calendar. Make sure the name is something descriptive so you can easily discern it from your other calendars. For example, you might name it Work Projects, Family Activities, or Fitness Plan, depending on your needs. The key is to choose something that is intuitive for you and immediately recognizable. After naming your calendar, there might also be fields for a description and time zone. Adding a description can be helpful if you're sharing this calendar with others or if you just want to jot down details about what it will be used for. Meanwhile, setting the correct time zone ensures that all events appear accurately in your local time as well as in any shared views. Finally, you'll click on Create Calendar, which finalizes the process. You'll receive a notification confirming the creation of your new calendar. Now you can return to your main view and you'll see your newly created calendar listed under Other Calendars. You can toggle its visibility on and off by clicking the color box next to the calendar name. This feature is particularly handy when you want a clear view of a specific calendar without the distraction of overlapping events from other calendars. And that's it. You've successfully added an additional calendar. Now repeat these steps to add as many calendars as you need. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we encourage you to take advantage of this feature to organize your life even better. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.